In the past, like many others, I believed that something in my life was all I needed. Through the years, I finally came to see that nothing brings the peace I truly seek. I don't chase dreams